We have been sitting now for 2 hours. Every pung ani pam grabanina, kitang hokachi no yamwaram gani. Blood circulation in the makta. Okay, thank you. Functional President of today's function, Most Reverend Dominic Lumon, Archbishop, Archdiocese of Imphal. We are deeply grateful to you, Your Grace, for taking time out to be with us this morning. Now it is afternoon. Though the program is a very marathon program, you have patiently praised throughout this morning and now afternoon. Thank you so much, Your Grace. We have been always blessed and by your gracious presence in all our functions here in Muirei and also in other parts of Manipur. Thank you, Your Grace. It is Most Reverend Dominic Lumon, Archbishop, who has been a mentor for this St. Anthony School. He, from the day one, he has nurtured, nourished, and mentored this St. Anthony School. Most of the infrastructure here, including the convent, the classroom, are his gifts. And not forgetting the parish church, he found a benefactor from Germany. I am told 2 ladies, through the good office of our Grace, Dominic Lumon, they sponsored the construction of the parish church, though there were other smaller help from many corners, from the village and from the neighboring villages. So thank you once again, Your Grace. I also want to say thank you to Father C.B. Alexander, the principal and the parish priest of St. Anthony's, for inviting me to be with you this morning and afternoon. I am deeply honored. And we are also happy that our fathers from Capuchin, long-term parish, they are also here this morning. And Sister Anseli and her band of sisters who has been sacrificing their whole life, dedicated together with fathers to educate our people. I consider their service, human service rendered by them, is one of the most supreme sacrifices. We should never forget them. We are greatly indebted to them. And also I welcome Major Vaipuk, the post commander here in Murumpung. Though it is called Murumpung, actually the helipad falls on Muirei side. Yeah. The boundary is that PWD road is the boundary. So it is Murumpung Muirei. Because the helipad falls on this side, your camp is on the Murumpung side. So you are our family now. So under your leadership, our villagers may come to you sometime help, assistance. So I'm happy that you are here with us. I look forward to meeting you again. And also the school parents of the children, the faculty, that is the teachers, the school staff, and my beloved children and friends. I am deeply impressed by the wonderful performance put up by the children, as our Most Reverend Dominic Lumon has rightly said. Though the program is very long, we enjoyed each and every item, from the explosion of talent, modern dance, modern skits, to traditional, the vigorous Tangkul dance, very graceful Thado Kuki dance, very graceful Romai dance. The Romai dance is almost like a performance by professionals. Incidentally, for many years, Jawaharlal Nehru Dance Academy Imphal, only one tribal dance was there, that is Romai dance, for many years. Of late, I think a few more tribal dances have been included, that is most welcome. That shows how Romai dance is really, really beautiful. I like that the little boy beating the drum. You know, beating the drum, you know, the dance steps is more rhythmic, and also it encourages the dancers. And also the Thato dance, the background music is very nice. So I would like to say, you know, a word of advice to Tangkul dancers. Next time you also have a background music. Preferably that Kuru Repion Shangvo's music. That the song which was played in the earlier part, no? Because the dancers singing themselves, people, audience at the back, they cannot hear. Because now sometimes large crowd is there. So the background music is better. And ideally that beating the drum, no, like the Romai dance, that is very nice. I also compliment my daughter, like my daughter, Muirei, and your colleague, your self-confidence, your articulation, how you conducted so well. Our master of ceremony this morning, my compliment to Muirei and your friend. We are deeply impressed. It's all thanks to the sacrifices by the teachers, by the sisters, nuns, and the brothers and fathers CB that you have come this far. Thank you so much, everyone. Before I forget, I would like to give a piece of good news. I was your neighbor here for about 4 months. So one day, Father told me the children really face the inconvenience in the mud and slush during rainy season, the approach road, the internal road. That time I didn't have any resources. Now I have arranged something so that we can blacktop your internal road, approach road in the next 4-5 months. Thank you. We will start January, the blacktopping of the road. And we'll try to complete it before May, when the monsoon sets in. We'll blacktop your internal road and approach road. Secondly, while whitening the football ground, your canteen was knocked down, dismantled. So I have discussed with the Father CB. After the function, we'll go and find a suitable place and we'll reconstruct a new canteen. We will start next week if possible. Thank you. Now, I would like to say a few words to the students and teachers and their friends. We are it's a matter of great satisfaction that Senatiri School Muirei has now come up well. And it is a matter of great happiness for me to see so many parents with their children dancing, singing, and the parents, enjoying. How beautiful the development. I would like to say a few words before I say it, something in Manipuri to the students in English. My dear children, I would like to leave this message this afternoon with you, that you have ambition, that is why you have come to this school, but to achieve, to accomplish your ambition, you must do one thing, that is, you have to pay the price. Anything worthwhile in our life, in the private life, in the village life, in the society life, in the life of the nation, anything worthwhile has a price. That price could be discipline. You must be disciplined. Number two, you must work very, very hard, study hard. There is no substitute to work very hard. Sometimes you may be tempted by distraction, temptation. There you need discipline, determination, perseverance. You have to pay that price. Discipline, maybe the tears, the sweat, then one day you will also achieve your ambition. That is what I would like to tell our children. Secondly, I have a word of suggestion or advice in the form of a proverb, Chinese proverb. There is a Chinese proverb to the teachers. A good teacher teaches the lesson. A very good teacher explains the lesson, the subject. Who is the best teacher? The best teacher is the teacher who inspires the children, the students. You inspire, if possible, the children with your life, with your standard, with your conduct, with your ethic. That is what Chinese proverb said is the best teacher. So I want to leave this morning with these few messages with the teachers and the students. Now I seek the indulgence of our non-Manipuri friends. I would like to say a few words in Manipuri for the benefit of the parents. Noluk na korumchari meshi lapiba chhatra ki ima mapa nohoi murukta mayam bu ai noluk na korumchari ai Manipuri de shu wahe amani di thamjage St. Anthony School haibashi ekoi Archbishop na Shenkat Tiba School ni mana ekoi da approval supi pani aduga mana ekoi ki school Shenkat Tiba convent mana Shenkat Tiba church su mana Shenkat Tiba hostel di aina secretary North Eastern Council oingai da Shillong da sanction tawkibani aduna mishidi joint effort habadare Archbishop ka aduga khongang gi mi parish gi mi ekoi mayam si yawga Shenkat School ni mishi angang sing na dance tawbo oishinu skit tawbo oishinu isai sakpa oishinu kaya hamuk phajare angang si ekoi angang ne perform tawraga mama mapana harau na thagachabasi khwaidai nuaiba amani matam kuina ekoi lamtam sida school phajaba amata shu leiramde aduna ekoi gi lamtam yengang popi area dagi lairik le shu haiba kaya thokte official shu yamde MLA shu leite hujikti Muirei da St. Anthony School lingkhatpa gi ekoi angang sing shu soidana nomati achauba official oigani achau sang oigani habsi egi thamoida thajai school si nakoi pumna makini misai Paris Peace na haiba kumna sida laik tamba angang sing si Hongkong tara mapan degini Manipur ki jati loi shure Meitei, Tangkhul, Thadokuki, Rongmei, Kom, Maring, loi shure bani si piamuk nungaiba development nuo haiba si aina koida misi share tawjabani aduna mama singbo mapa singbo su sumain e appeal tawjaningi sida leiba father Alexander CB sister Anseline mohogi colleague mayam sida faculty mayam sida cooperation BPU school fee su matam chana BPU ngamri mekhaidi father sing brother sing sister sing na sacrifice tawbasi hainingai leitabani mohogi nupi su thide family leite angang su leite mohogi pangkan mohogi matam si omnamak angang singbu Shenkat se haina dedicate tawbani singu si prithvi da kaya leitabani mohoina sumu sacrifice tawba haibasi Ingraji da supreme sacrifice haibani ai si laroi tara khali mohoina sumu sacrifice tawbagi yango si prithvi da khwaidagi dharma chawbasi Catholic ni 1,300 million ni 1.3 billion India pumnamagi population chap manai ekoi mathangda Muslim aduga Protestant lai kari gino sumo chawbai bise father khoina sister khoina whole life family thatoga ekoi sida sepa tawusi masha khangna dabisu ishori mamingda nungsidu na ekoi da sacrifice tawusi nakoi si kauthok pi ganu nakoi gi angang sin semge haina like tam bigen lakpani adon mohoi the cooperation pipiu habisi ai wahe amani si thamjage ai nekoi su chak yam lamlam kani aduga wa su waram kani pung ani hembo hemle ai matam yam longsoroi wahe amani si thamjaraga ai mayambu narumna amrut hanna ai khorumchari wahe amani si ai hairaga ai roshindringaida. I would like to give a small token of support to our dear father C.P. Alexander from my side as a token of my support and token of my gesture. Father, may please come up here. Thank you so much, Father. So may the loving God bless St. Anthony's School, the Muirei Parish, the Muirei Village, St. Anthony's Parish. Thank you so much. Thank you.